Hey there, hustlers! Are you ready to make some serious money in 2023? Forget about sitting behind a desk all day. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 physical side hustles that can help you rake in the cash. Number 1. Electric scooter charging. Electric scooters are all the rage these days, and companies are constantly seeking chargers to keep their fleets up and running. By becoming an electric scooter charger, you can earn money by picking up scooters, charging them at your place, and then dropping them off in designated locations. It's flexible, easy, and you can make a tidy sum while helping the environment. Talk about a win-win. Number 2. Mobile car wash. Picture this: you're driving down the road, and you see a line of cars waiting to be cleaned. That's the perfect opportunity for a mobile car wash business. With a minimal investment in equipment and supplies, you can offer on-the-spot car wash and detailing services. You can tap into a busy market, provide convenience, and make bank while doing so. Plus, who doesn't love a shiny, clean car? Number 3. Personal fitness training. Health and wellness are hot topics, and people are increasingly focused on staying fit. If you have a passion for fitness and enjoy helping others achieve their goals, why not consider becoming a personal fitness trainer? You can offer one-on-one sessions, group classes, or even online coaching. The demand is high, and with the right certifications, you can build a loyal clientele while keeping yourself in tip-top shape. Number 4. Urban gardening. With the growing interest in organic food and sustainable living, urban gardening has become a lucrative side hustle. You don't need a large space, a small balcony or backyard will do. By growing and selling fresh herbs, vegetables, or even flowers, you can tap into the local farmers market or set up a subscription-based service. It's a fulfilling way to connect with nature, support your community, and fatten your wallet. Number 5. Upcycling and refurbishing. The world is becoming increasingly conscious of the need to reduce waste and reuse items. That's where upcycling and refurbishing come into play. If you have a knack for DIY projects, consider turning old furniture, vintage items, or even electronics into something new and desirable. You can sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy or local markets. Not only will you earn money, but you'll also be helping the environment by giving these items a new lease on life. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 physical side hustles that can make you good money in 2023. From electric scooter charging to upcycling, there's something for everyone. Find what resonates with your skills and interests, put in the effort, and watch the cash roll in. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that success in any side hustle requires dedication, hard work, and a dash of creativity. It's not always smooth sailing, but with the right mindset and determination, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. Also, don't forget to leverage the power of social media to promote your side hustle. Create an engaging online presence, share captivating content, and interact with your audience. Building a strong online brand will help you attract more customers and increase your earning potential. Lastly, keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and new opportunities can arise at any moment. Stay informed, adapt to changes, and be open to exploring different avenues within your chosen side hustle. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope you found these physical side hustle ideas inspiring and that they ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Get out there and start hustling in 2023. Now get out there and hustle like there's no tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting side hustle ideas, money-making tips, and all things hustle related. And as always, leave a comment below to let us know which side hustle caught your attention or if you have any other ideas to share. Remember, in the world of side hustles, the possibilities are endless. It's all about finding that perfect balance between your passion and profitability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.